How do chiropractic adjustments relieve neck pain? When you line the spine up better, it'll decrease the wear and tear in the joints of the spine. It'll also help decrease any inflammation in through the joints, therefore decreasing joint pressure. By lining the spine up correctly, it allows for the vertebrae surrounding the disc to operate correctly, and therefore relieving pressure on the disc, therefore reducing disc herniations and disc bulging. In addition to that, lining the spine up correctly will help open up the area that the nerve comes out, and therefore decreasing your chances of having nerve pressure and causing pain that way. So those are some of the ways that chiropractic adjustments will help you with neck pain. My name is Dr. Neil Langschied, and I'm a chiropractor in Jeffersontown, Kentucky.